Radha is not crazy. If she is accusing someone, I'm sure there must be a reason.
But Mohan,
Damini, keep one thing in mind that Radha never lies.
Look at her. She's my daughter. She spent her entire life looking after the people of this family. And they are putting such baseless accusations on her.
You're involved in a custody battle of your daughter. Everyone in the city knows that, Mr. Trivedi. And you know what, Mr. Trivedi? If today's news gets leaked, then you could be formally charged.
If you open your mouth, then you will see my true colors.
I have already seen that, Damini.
Tulsi, it's not what you think. Okay, she want to take my Mohan away from me. Tell me what should I have done?
Mohan can never be yours, Damini.
Open the door.
What's the matter? Why are you banging on the door?
Well, actually, my dear, now what do I tell you? That little shorty, I mean Radha, she has threatened my Damini that she will break Mohan and her alliance. So my Damini has locked herself into the room.
You try to snatch Gungun from Mohan, right? Now Mohan will decide what to do with you. Radha must have told Mohan the truth by now. It's time, Damini, to settle the score to your past and present sins.
Do one thing, my dear. Please go and stop that Radha. If she goes and instigates Mohan, then there will be definitely some problem. Please go, go, go.
Instigate? Why will she do that?
Hey, when Mohan was in the hospital, whatever wrongdoings we did with Radha. Perhaps she wants to pay her revenge to us. She will tell everything to Mohan. She will instigate him now. She will tell him that you fought with her. Understood?
Yes, I must stop her. If that uneducated, silly girl walks up to Mohan and tells her that I raised my hand to her, then Mohan will instantly throw me out of this house.
Exactly.
I need to do something. I must quickly stop her.
Go, go, go. Stop her. Stop. He went. Come on, Tulsi. I'm wondering what will this Tulsi do to my daughter. I hope she doesn't kill her. Open the door. Tulsi. Tulsi. Tulsi, my dear.
Mohan, I know after hearing what I'm going to tell you today, you will be really hurt. But for the sake of Gungun and for the sake of this family, you must know the truth.
Mohan!
It seemed Radha called my name. So?
Leave my hand. Rahul,
Come.
leave. Leave.
You have created enough rift in the family. I admit there are differences between Mohan and me. But you have made it worse by putting things in his head, Radha. But now enough is enough. I am going to stop this damage right now.
What are you saying, Rahul? Why would I do that?
What? Don't say a word. I know very well what you were going to do. You were going to complain to Mohan that we both got into a heated argument and I raised my hand to you so that Mohan throws me out of the house, isn't it?
What? Who told you that? Who just instigated you? Tell me, Rahul. Damini or Aunt Kaveri? I am sorry, Rahul, but either you are dumb or you are as bad as Damini. That's why you are supporting her. And if that is true, I will expose you along with her.
Hey! What did I say? Hey, it seems you didn't hear me properly. You won't go to Mohan, and when I say it, I mean it.
I'll definitely talk to Mohan and no one can stop me. Don't forget, Rahul, what happened when you stopped me last time while taking Gungun to the hospital.
Stop! I'm going to...
I hope you remember.
Oh Lord. You are here? I hope you stopped Radha.
No, she went to talk to Mohan.
Mohan is absolutely right. You are absolutely useless. You cannot do anything properly. You couldn't even stop that girl. I wonder what will happen now. Now do one thing. You help me to bring Damini out of this room. If she comes out, she will use her shrewd brain and we will find out some solution. Come on.
But aunt, how will we get her out?
Son, you go to those places to do something? Where do you go? Gym. So these muscles that you have made now, huh? This strong build that you have, what is it for? Just break the door.
Okay, aunt, I'll do that.
Come on.
Damini!
Damini! Open the door, Damini! My dear, my dear.
Damini!
My
Damini,
dear.
I hope you're fine.
Yes,
And why weren't you opening the door?
actually,
And these marks? What are these
f-
marks?
f- f- forget that, Rahul. We need to stop Radha first. She must
Yes,
not
let's
meet
go.
Mohan.
You can't control anything, Damini. Radha must have told Mohan the entire truth.
Mohan, I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something important. I know you might be hurt after hearing this. Maybe you'll feel heartbroken. But for Gungun's sake, you must know the truth, Mohan. Mohan, all the bad things that happened to this family, whether it was you, Gungun, or me, you can't even imagine who did all that. The incident that took place in the forest, my kidnapping, the newspaper incident, Hriday's arrival in our home, Gungun falling in the borewell, Gungun being trapped in the fire, a bomb on the bus. The person who was behind all this was none other than Damini. I know that you are tense because of Gungun's court case. I know that. But that doesn't mean that you'll marry the wrong person and ruin your and Gungun's life.
Were you saying something?
Mohan, I was saying that, Mohan. Are you crying, Mohan? Why? What's wrong?
I'm thinking about the person I hate the most. More than anyone in this world. The one who has only given me pain. I was listening to her favorite song. Was remembering her. But after marrying Damini, the last thread that binds us will also break.
The thread of some relationships never breaks, Mohan. Hate and love are the two sides of the same coin. We hate those whom we love. And you love Tulsi a lot. And I can feel that love for her. And your tears. They are the proof of that.
Radha, don't waste time. Please tell him what you have come here for.
See Damini looking at Mohan's face? I don't think she told him everything. Otherwise, by now there would be chaos in the house.
What happened, Mohan? Are you okay?
No, Radha, I'm not fine.
I think she told him.
I don't think so.
What?
Had she told him, Mohan would have beaten the pulp out of me and thrown me out of this house.
Radha, I'm missing Tulsi a lot. You know, when I was about to die in the hospital, over there I felt that I met Tulsi.
What is wrong with Mohan? Has he lost it? He started talking to ghosts. Nobody knows what's happening in this house.
This idiot doesn't know that in this house there is a ghost who beats us black and blue whenever she wants.
She was standing in front of me. I could see her and I could touch her. I could hold her hand. And she wanted to say something to me.
Mohan, I wanted to say that Radha loves you a lot.
If you love Tulsi so much, please don't marry Damini.
What are you saying, Radha?
Mohan, you don't fall in love with anyone and everyone. Love is a feeling, and the joy which shines in one's eyes. And so I know you have never loved Damini. Because I never saw that glow in your eyes on seeing her.
May this dame be cursed. She would burn very badly in the hell.
Yes, it's true that I don't love Damini. Because I love someone else.
Has Mohan finally realized that he also loves Radha?
What is Mohan saying? Who is he in love with if not Damini?
Oh, it's Ram. How would we know? I think he is going to confess his feelings to her. My dear, you are doomed.
I still love only Tulsi and no one else. You know, I feel it's the kind of love that one never finds again in a lifetime.
No, Mohan. You have found that love again in your life. You just need to open your eyes and see.
Mohan, why then are you marrying Damini?
It's because I have promised to marry her. So I have to marry her. And not just me, Mom has also promised Damini that I will marry her. Damini is also someone's daughter. Like Gungun is my daughter, suppose her fiance refuses to marry her a day before, then how would I feel, Radha? Or if Ajit abandons Ketki, then? Won't it be wrong? And Radha, I cannot do anything wrong to a girl. Yes, we live in a modern world. But in our country, when a wedding is called off in the family, everyone blames only the girl. You know, Radha, our society holds the girl responsible. I do not believe in all this. It's all nonsense. If I cannot bear with my daughter, then how can I do wrong with the other girl? I cannot do this to Damini. Because it's wrong, it's a sin.
Mohan, Damini is taking advantage of your goodness.
Mohan, I was saying that
Stop it. It's enough now. You should go now.
Mohan, listen. I want to tell you something.
Radha, please try and understand.
Mohan, please hear what Radha wants to say.
I've spoken a lot about Tulsi. Before the pain of Tulsi increases and I vent my anger on you, please go away from here. Please, Radha, go away from here.
But Mohan...
I said go.
Okay, I'm going. Mohan.
Mohan?
It's a matter of tonight, Damini. After that, your life will be filled with darkness. You two will be out of this house. And tomorrow morning I'll tell the family all your truth.
Aunt, what did she just say? What truth was she talking about?
She always speaks nonsense. To hell with her truth. You get lost, idiot. I mean, my son, go to bed. Go, okay?
Okay, Aunt.
Before this Radha punishes you, prior to that, you will have to do something now.
But I can't understand how. I tried a lot, Mom, but that ghost saved Radha from me. Now Radha is not alone.
My dear, that Radha was never alone. That Ajit had already made her a sister. And now that Ketki also holds her hand in hand like this and goes around in the family like friends. And then comes that little devil Gungun. She treats Radha just like her divine mother. And my brother-in-law, his best friend's daughter is this Radha. He will readily agree to make Radha this family's daughter-in-law. Only Kadambari, whom we had gotten on our side. But can I tell you the truth? I am her sister. I very well know what is going on in her mind. She also wants that Radha should become her daughter-in-law. Now the one who is left is your Mohan. He is bound by his promise, that's why. For any given reason, if he decides to break his promise, then he will immediately go and hold Radha's hand.
What if Mohan doesn't have anyone whose hand he can hold?
What?
What if Mohan doesn't have an option to choose apart from me? What if Radha doesn't wake up to see tomorrow morning?
Mohan and Tulsi's relationship is so unique.
I felt as if Radha was here. And you know, all this happens because of you. She had come to talk to me and I didn't hear her out.
Really? You blame me for everything. It's my fault that you aren't able to realize that Radha loves you.
You know, I thank Lord Krishna 1,000 times just for sending Radha into our life. You know, if it weren't for Radha, Gungun would never have got a mother's love.
I also thank the Lord for this. Had Radha not come into our lives, Mohan, perhaps you wouldn't have felt love again. Now just go and talk to Radha and end this hide and seek. Go.
You are in the photo, but it seems you are ordering me. I'm going. I don't want to be in front of you. I'm going to Radha.
Oh, Lord Krishna, please forgive me. I got busy today, so I forgot to put you to sleep. Wait. Calm down, Gungun, calm down. There is nothing there. I'm here with you. I felt as if someone was there.
Go on. Writhe in pain, Radha. How did you even think that you would take Mohan away from me? This is your punishment. Goodbye, Radha.
Radha wanted to say something and I didn't give her a chance to speak.
You never give anyone a chance to speak, Mohan. Go and talk to Radha. Then you will find out the truth about Damini, and you will also find out that I did not leave you willingly. You will also understand that if anyone can be your life partner in this whole world, it is not Damini, but Radha.
I did the wrong thing with Radha. Gungun treats her like her Yashoda mother and I didn't give her a chance to speak. Radha does so much work. She has gone to sleep unconsciously. I'm sorry, Radha. I should have listened to you. Like you listen to everything Gungun and I say. Today, if we all can sleep peacefully, it's only because of you. You helped a father and daughter to be reconciled with each other. And I will be thankful to you for all that, my life. Well, the truth is, we don't share any relationship. And it may not be possible either. But you don't know what you mean to me. And I can't even tell you that. Good night. Hey, good night. She sleeps like a child. And why not? She takes care of everyone by running around like a child.
What is the matter, Dulari? Do you want to say something?
That, ma'am, I wanted to tell you something.
Go ahead.
I was
Tell me and hurry up.
that there is a ghost in the house.
What are you saying? Speak louder so I can understand.
There is a ghost in the house. When you all were not at home, strange things were happening in the house. The ghost scared me to death, I swear. The TV started on its own. Then things started falling. And moreover, it had locked Rahul sir in the room. Ma'am, I suggest that you call a saint and get some rituals done to get rid of the ghost. Ma'am, an evil spirit has come into the house.
Quiet. Absolutely quiet. Dare you talk this nonsense in front of others in the family? Don't forget that there is a kid in our family. Won't she get scared hearing all these things? Dulari, I am warning you. If I hear you talk about this to anyone else in the family, then I will be your worst enemy. Go away. Tulsi, what are you doing in front of... Why are you doing all this in front of the family? I'll have to tell Damini about it. Otherwise, Tulsi will do anything to stop her marriage with Mohan.
Guruma, you know Tulsi is trying to team up with Radha.
I felt like someone held my hand.
It is possible that she will start supporting Radha. Please do something and get me married to Mohan.
I have told you before that the reason for your problem is not Tulsi's spirit, but it's that girl. The biggest hindrance in your path is not Tulsi, but Radha.
Guruma, I have put Radha into a deep slumber. I want you to save me from Tulsi. Because when she finds out what I did to Radha, she will definitely kill me.
That will happen too. I told you to bring something. Have you brought it?
Yes, Guruma. This is a piece of Mohan's clothing.
I had asked for something else too.
Here, I got both things.
Take this. This is called the Kankan Dora. It's a sacred thread and it is the first wedding ritual. Mohan will tie this Kankan Dora around your wrist. And that will be the first stage of your relationship with Mohan. And after that, until you get married to Mohan, this thread will work as your protective shield.
Guruma, I don't understand.
Tulsi has so much power. But have you ever wondered why she can't touch Mohan and Gungun or why she can't talk to them? That's because she is bound by Mohan's promise.
Promise me that you will not come before my family or me. You will neither show your face nor let them hear your voice. That my family will not suffer because of you, and you won't hurt my family in any way. Promise me, Tulsi.
Damini, once you get married to Mohan, you will become a part of that family, his wife. Then Tulsi won't be able to touch you or hurt you in any way, even if she wishes to, because of that promise.
Dulari, nothing should be lacking in the wedding today. Go and do your work. Radha and Gungun are still sleeping? This has never happened before.
Kadambari! Kadambari!
What? Do you want anything?
Now what will an innocent widow like me want from you? But you are here?
Oh yes, actually, Radha and Gungun have not woken up yet. So I thought I would wake them up.
My dear Kadambari, let them both sleep. Now you see, when our son Mohan was in the hospital, that time both of them were so worried about him. They did not sleep for many days. Now they are sleeping peacefully. So let them sleep. Anyways, there is a lot of time for the Fairas. We will wake them up later.
Yes, sister, but there are several other rituals that have to be done now.
Yes.
So I'll have to wake them up. Hang on. Since when did you start caring so much for Radha and Gungun?
You caught me right.
Did you say something?
I was just trying to say that, Kadambari. This little witch and that devil Gungun. The more they stay away from the wedding, that is better. Otherwise, they both will ruin the wedding completely.
The one that you are calling a little devil is my granddaughter, and the one you call little witch again and again is like my daughter. And what they both do is for my family and for my son Mohan's betterment. Henceforth, think twice before using such words for them in the future.
Sure. Actually, I just said what I felt like.
I heard it. I'll let them sleep now. I'll come and wake them up when all the preparations are made.
Try and wake her up, Kadambari. But she will never wake up. That's what I was saying. Today you and your name Radha both will disappear from Mohan's life forever.
Radha.
You love Radha so much, Mohan, not only day and night, but you take her name even in your sleep. Mohan, Radha is the right person to be your life partner. Please go and talk to Radha once.
Oh Lord! If anybody sees the phone, then there will be a big problem. This time I will definitely get Mohan married to Damini. I don't want any hindrance. What should I do? What should I do? You witch? Bad things have happened to you, right? But it was bound to happen. Hey, even before you were born, since then I was dreaming of making Mohan my son-in-law. And Radha, you are just today's girl. You think you can ruin my plan like this? Today I will not spare you. I will kill you.
Oh gosh, it's 9 o'clock and Radha is still sleeping. Radha, wake up. Please wake up, Radha. Radha, wake up.
Your Radha will not wake up now.
Radha, come on. Don't be lazy, Daisy. Wake up quickly.
Mohan, these feelings and attachments are good, but sometimes they trouble you a lot. But these feelings hold two people in a relationship and sometimes they stop them from moving on. You have to move on, Mohan.
Mom, I wonder why I have a strange feeling. It feels like something is wrong, Mom.
Radha, wake up. Radha, please wake up. Radha, wake up.
Mohan, why are you thinking that way? Mohan, you will have to forget old memories and move on in life. You will have to forget Tulsi, son.
This is impossible, Mom. No. I'm getting married to Damini today, but I feel like I shouldn't get married.
Radha and Mohan will surely unite, but over my corpse.
No.
Mohan Trivedi, he was accused of killing his wife. His fiancée also burned herself because of him only. Can Mohan Trivedi be saved from going to prison?
Mohan, if you don't want to forget Tulsi, think about Gungun and move on, please. Gungun needs a mom, Mohan.
Oh my gosh, she is in such a deep slumber. Does anyone sleep in such a deep sleep?
Get up and get ready quickly. We have to do the Mahurat Puja and Kankan Dora ritual.
It looks like Radha is very tired. That's why she is sleeping so much. No problem, Radha. Sleep well.
Where is this girl, Radha?
Mohan, why are you waiting for Radha over here? Go and see why she is not here.
I'll go and check.
Mohan, my dear. Where are you going, my son?
Aunt Kaveri, don't try to stop Mohan from going.
I was just going to meet Gungun and Radha.
Dear son, why do you want to meet them? Huh? Just look at yourself. For the wedding, only few hours are left. And like this, wearing pajamas, the groom robes doesn't look nice.
I have the practice of being a groom, aunt. It's not the first time for me.
But I am going to be mother-in-law for the first time, dear.
Good morning.
You are not allowed to come in.
Why?
You are asking why. You are responsible for everything. You say you are getting married for me. But I have told you so many times that I don't like Damini.
But Gungun...
Yes, Dad, I don't want to talk to you and our friendship is also over.
This is not done. Why is our friendship over? This is wrong, Gungun. I want to be your friend along with your dad.
Do you even know how a friend is? Friends make each other happy. But you don't care about Radha's and my happiness.
What do you mean by Radha's happiness? What has Radha's happiness got to do with my wedding?
You won't understand. Go.
What go? Are you talking to a dog?
Gungun, please let Dad talk to Radha. It's important for him to talk to Radha.
Radha! Radha! Radha, look her. Gungun is behaving like a kid.
I'm a kid, so I'll behave like one. But you are an adult. Then why don't you behave like an adult? Adults care about the kids. You are going to get me a mother. And you don't care about my choice.
Look, Gungun, once your dad talks to Radha, he will find out the entire truth. And after that, no one can stop Radha from becoming your mother. Let your dad go in, Gungun.
Radha! Radha!
Oh, she's sleeping.
What do you mean by that? Still sleeping? Hey, wake her up. The roosters went back to sleep after their announcements and she's still sleeping.
Gungun, go.
Gungun!
Gungun!
This girl, God knows what her mom ate when she was pregnant with her. Radha! Radha!
Radha wakes up as soon as Mohan calls out. Why isn't she waking up today? Did something happen to... No.
Today, Mohan and I will finally unite. After today, Mohan will only belong to me.
You always supported me in everything I did, Radha. And today, when I need you the most, you are not with me.
If my wedding is stopped, one member of this family will lose their life for sure.
What if someone makes you promise them by cheating?
It's wrong to cheat. One can be disqualified from the tournament.
That's what I'm saying. Your opposing team has cheated.
Radha is so dumb. She thinks that we are targeting father. She has no idea that he's only a scapegoat.